Differential equations for circuit analysis. So in this lecture, we will be finding out the voltage equation for RC charging, the current equation for RL current growth, the voltage equation for RC discharging, and the current equation for RL current decay. So the main objective is to identify order and degree of the equation, to find out if the equation is homogeneous or non-homogeneous, to actually obtain the equations for RC and RL circuit and apply universal first order response formula for the solution of the circuit. Why do we get differential equations? Because for both capacitor and inductor, we get differential equation in its formula, that is I is equal to C dV by dt in capacitor and V is equal to L di by dt in inductor. And when we apply KCL and KVL, we get differential equations while obtaining the circuit response like these equations. Order of the differential equation is simply the highest order differential present in the equation. For example, in this case, the highest order is 2 and the degree is the power of the highest order derivative present. So in this case, the highest order derivative is d square y by dt square and its power is 2, therefore the degree is 2. Equation is said to be homogeneous if its right hand side is equal to 0 like this, and it is non-homogeneous if right hand side is not 0 like this. So for an RC circuit, the first order differential equation becomes R into C d of Vc by dt plus Vc is equal to V, and for an RL circuit it is L di by dt plus R into IL is equal to V. There is single first order response formula which can be applied to all these equations, and this is any time dependent variable xt is equal to x infinite plus x0 minus x infinite into e raised to minus t by tau, where x infinite is the final value at time t is equal to infinite, x0 is the initial value at t is equal to 0, and tau is the time constant. For example, for an RC charging circuit like this, if the initial voltage is 0 and the final voltage is 10 volt, voltage equation as per universal formula is simply 10 plus 0 minus 10 into e raised to minus t by tau, which is RC, which comes out to be 10 into 1 minus e raised to minus t by RC. Similarly, for an RL current growth circuit, if initial current is 0, final current is 5 ampere, the current equation becomes 5 plus 0 minus 5 into e raised to minus t by tau, which is L by R, which comes out to be 5 into 1 minus e raised to minus RT by L.